all we know is shorts have had a great trade. Big boy was in that trade. Primary target already been hit. Anything below this now is juice. And there was a first primary target, 87.5. Four and a half, and then possibly the 82 test. So we're still containing yesterday's high. I said, well, let's use 91 as resistance. That's the half gap. And we still have had a very small range. RTH. As we progress in time, this pink line gets worn down and chewed. So that's why you cannot count on that third time hit. So if you go back and look at this for the last 6 days, and this is 30 points higher than it was, it does not have the same relative power that it did. We still want to know where it is, but now we think it can get chewed the third time through. Not as supportive. It's a beautiful trade for the short side. Absolutely gorgeous. And all the altar boys still there, not recognizing the power of that sweeper trade, knocking out stops and then coming the opposite direction. Look at the air on the daily chart. Okay, anybody that gets to the 85, who stops down, still got a little time for the short side. 84.5 target. And then possibly testing that 83 to 82. But already we're in what I consider to be the primary target hit. And these traders all up here are underwater. Beautiful megaphone pattern. Keep an eye on the 120 chart. That's being challenged. And the 5-minute chart, a beauty. See, by knowing where our potential targets are, it helps us to know that this is probably a sweeper move. Because everybody yesterday screaming 1600, 1600, and I said defense. Thank you, Peck. I said I don't care about the last couple points. I want to play defensively. Time and price, especially with FOMC. All right, 85, obviously, the boys love 85. So key target hit, don't get faked out. Trailers, yes. New shorts in this zone, no. Forget about it. And there are a lot of traders that get sloppy. They think all the market has to do is keep going up, up, up. And they get themselves in trouble because they have no idea that we can get a reverse day like this after strength yesterday. Hey, who the heck wants to go out there and put on new positions, I said, ahead of FOMC? Doesn't make sense. We said two-way day today. You can definitely short, and you can probably buy. So give it a few more minutes. Bounces are for hitting. Still keeping that 91.5 gap as resistance. 84.5 possible target. There it is. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Right there. Target is hit. That's T1 today. And we can go to any low in this pattern. A reminder, sweeper trade, one of the best in the book. Starts out sneaky Pete. Most people will not recognize it. Make a higher high, all in low volume, right? All done in low volume, knocks out stops, and then comes and we take out. The key is taking out the overnight low, and then we keep coming. And once you take out that low, then the most important thing is don't come back above it. And that's why we had that zone as our resistance zone. It's a beautiful trade. And the 83.25 was yesterday's angel. Morning after trend day, I said already done. All right, the big support is 82. If 82 cannot hold today, we can go to any place. And we've still got about 15 minutes in the hour. So all the weak hands are gone. All late Louis up here, underwater. And keep an eye on this yellow circle up here. I said before, we had a target just above 1600. Those last few points will catch people for a lot more risk and reward. Bingo. And the measured move today, we can go any place, but the measured move, the first one we said was 84.5, and then possibly even into the 80.5. But I like this test right here. And you can see how that pink line has been chewed. 10:15. All right, anybody got this 83s into the 82s? Lock something up. But what a great trade. 30-minute chart coming into play. And yesterday this was supportive, so we want to respect that because this is still a higher high. And I think this is a big surprise. This dries out all the weekends.